Welcome to another session of organicrankings.com. Today we'll be talking about HTML Validator. You can find this as an extension that you can plug into your Chrome and Safari browsers, or you can find different versions of it online. This is a Chrome extension that I added that I use quite a bit. We will be having a version of this on organicrankings.com software here shortly, but in the meantime, I'm using the extension from Chrome. So this will actually show me the code that I have and where all the errors are on the page. Or if there's, like, for example, you'll see it's looking for an expected main tag, that's extra one that's there. This is something you can click on, you can see it here, and you can remove the extra one that's not needed. You can also discover other issues like duplicate tags that are inside your code that you might not even be aware of. And below here it actually gives you a little bit of a breakdown of what you're looking at with this error so you know how to fix it. Another piece of this program that'll help you out is you can use the W3C online, and this will actually give you a little bit more detailed through the W3C website. And it'll give you just, like I said, it will give you a breakdown of more detailed of the information that you're looking at. You can come over here, and if you want, you can go ahead and hit cleanup, and it'll actually clean up the code. It doesn't always work correctly, so you have to be very careful when you use it, but when you use it, for the most part, it'll clean it up pretty well. You can also look at the original HTML, and then if you want to, you can actually compare the two side by side and see what the differences are in the code itself. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a contact at info@organicrankings.com.